and welcoming Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Prime Minister.
Thank you. I'll be back up.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. President, faculty members and students, ladies and gentlemen, এবং আমার বাংলাদেশের যারা ছাত্রছাত্রী তাদের সবাইকে আমি শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি। A very good afternoon to you all. I convey my warmest greetings to everyone in the audience. It is indeed a privilege to speak in front of you today. I thank you, Mr. President, for inviting me to this hallowed seat of learning. I have chosen to speak on an issue which is close to my heart: women's and girls' empowerment. I wish to see our girls breaking all